No, this is the first VR event that I've been to. It was hugely informative though. It was really, really good. Like not so much like on the sales, because like there wasn't a lot of sales pitch, but just on the general information that you delivered. It's at the right level as well.
A lot of the other VR conferences I think are mainly driven by software back-ends, or at least software vendors in some cases. The Unite or the Unreals or those kind of companies that push VR. I think the great thing about this again is it's pretty agnostic in terms of what you use. It's the end product that is important, and I think this is it's a good move forward.
Well, I think the events like this are always great because I've literally just come out from lunch and I've been chatting to one of the leading landscape architectural firms, LDA Design, and I didn't expect to see them here, and I've been chatting to their IT director. And we've immediately got massive common ground about how the things that you've really brought to the table today, how they are actually going to change things. And we're going to be talking further about how to actually bring these technologies into the workplace.
Well, I'm hoping that I can go back to our stakeholders and really deliver kind of like what sort of solutions they should be looking at and what we can do in the future. Yeah, it's hugely useful just to see what other people are doing in the industry, how they're integrating the technology and really how they're making, how clients are seeing that technology as well has been really useful.
There's a lot of uniqueness and the application is unique, but there's a lot of overlap, and I think it's about time people start discussing with each other where they can get this moving forward. I think it's the isolation and the silos that's keeping us behind.
Practical demonstrations of the kit is hugely useful because I mean we wouldn't get the ability to really try the HoloLenses or any of the other headsets because they're too expensive and we're not sure if that's the way we want to go. So these sorts of events are really, really useful for that.
I think if you don't try things out and you don't have a go at these leading edge things, then you never get the kind of insight or the excitement about what they can do. And I think we all know change is difficult. So if you don't start change with some excitement and some insight, it will never happen. So I think you have to try these things out. And to be able to bring them about in a place like this at PwC, obviously they're a brand that's known for kind of consulting, innovation and other things, and Systems Active, and obviously what you've done, Nathan. I think that is undoubtedly, people have to be excited about change. Change is painful and it's scary, so we've got to be excited about it. So trying these things out is really powerful.